Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about antioxidant vitamin. Vitamin or micronutrient needed daily for the normal physiological function. Vitamins are a micronutrition which needed for daily physiological activity. Oxidants are free radical or formed in the body as the end product of various metabolism, air pollution like smoke, cigarette and radiation. These oxidants are free radical formed by various metabolism and air pollution. Normally, they are cleared in body by phagocytosis. These free oxidants are cleared by phagocytosis and excretion in urine. The excess of free radicals damage the cell membrane protein DNA. When there is excess of free radicals, it may damage the cell protein, which is DNA. CVS disease, diabetes mellitus, cardiovascular disease and diabetes mellitus, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinsonism and extra may occur. Antioxidant are the substance which neutralize and counteract the action of free radicals. Thus, it protects our cells. Antioxidants are the substance which is against the oxidants. These oxidants leads to CVS disease, diabetes mellitus, cancer. So, these antioxidants are used to protect our cells. The antioxidant vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. These are mostly known as antioxidant vitamins. Vitamin A, retinoids, fat-soluble vitamin present in diet as retinol. The carotenoid are converted into body into retinol and the beta-carotene form from green leaves. Beta-carotene is obtained from green leaves, which is the active form of the vitamin A. Vitamin present in the diet as retinol and the corticoids are converted the retinol into retinol and the beta carotene forms the from the green leaves. Source of vitamin A are carrot, green leaf vegetables, mango, papaya, egg, milk and liver. Functions: plays an important role in dark adaptation, in eyesight, essential for rhodopsin synthesis, maintain integrity of the epithelial cells, and antioxidant. It is an antioxidant. Uses: vitamin A deficiency 300 to 500 in IV per day. Vitamin A analog tertonin and isotertonin used for 1 to 2 50,000 to 1 lakh in IV. Adverse effect: hypervitaminosis A, which causes dry skin, alopecia, pain in the joints and anemia. Vitamin C, it is another antioxidant which is also known as ascorbic acid and it is an water soluble vitamin. The source of this vitamin is citrus fruits like orange, lemon, gooseberries, tomato, green leafy vegetable. Action: needed for oxidative reductive reaction, help the ion absorption in intestine, needed for collagen synthesis and tissue repair. The antioxidant action, and it has an antioxidant action, increases the immunity, needed for wound healing. Deficiency: spongy gum and gum bleeding, subcutaneous bleeding, delayed wound healing, deformed teeth and weak bone formation and anemia. Used in above cases, as we see in the deficiency, there is delayed wound healing, deformed teeth and weak bone formation like anemia and subcutaneous bleeding. These are used in these conditions, and to boost our immunity in cold and fever and viral infection. Used as antioxidant to acidity in the urine in alkaloid drug poisoning. Dose. The normal condition is 100 to 500 mg per day. Treatment is 500 to 1000 mg per day. Normal condition, there is a dose of 100 to 500 mg per day. In treatment condition, there is 500 to 1000 mg per day of vitamin C tablet is taken. Vitamin E, tocopherol. It is a fat-soluble vitamin. It is sourced from rice germ oil, wheat germ oil, cereals, egg and nuts. Function: assist cell respiration, assist reproduction, assist metabolism of fat and carbohydrate, and it is used in antioxidant. Uses: serious disease, neurological disease, impotency, menopausal condition. Dose of vitamin E is 500 to 300 mg of alpha tocopherol tablet used in multivitamin tablet as well as syrup. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.